AI is saving the planet and killing it at the same time. We are standing at a crossroads. On one path, we have the promise of a sustainable future, green energy, optimized agriculture, and a healed planet. On the other, a technological leviathan consuming resources at an unprecedented rate. We are talking about artificial intelligence. It is the most powerful tool we have ever created. But is it our salvation? Or an existential threat to the very sustainability we are trying to achieve? The answer isn't simple. It's a paradox. The heavy footprint. Let's start with the bad news. The elephant in the server room. AI is ravenous. Training a single large language model can consume megawatts of electricity and emit hundreds of tons of carbon dioxide. That is just the training phase. But the real cost lies in the inference, the daily queries. Every time you ask an AI a question, it requires significant compute power. And that power requires water. Massive data centers use millions of gallons of water for cooling, fresh water that is increasingly scarce. We are draining the planet to cool the machines that are supposedly going to save it. We are competing with our own survival for resources. The silver bullet? Yet, to stop here would be to ignore the immense power of this technology. If AI is a heavy foot on the accelerator, it is also the most sophisticated navigation system we've ever had. AI is already being used to discover new battery materials, removing the need for toxic cobalt. It predicts extreme weather events with pinpoint accuracy, saving lives. It optimizes supply chains, drastically reducing food waste and fuel consumption. Imagine a smart grid, where AI balances renewable energy sources perfectly, ensuring no water is wasted. Imagine precision agriculture, where we use 30% less water to grow 20% more food. In medicine, AI accelerates drug discovery, finding cures faster, reducing the waste of failed experiments. It is the most powerful tool for scientific acceleration we have ever built. The risk of the silver bullet. But there is a dark shadow to this hope. The Jevons paradox. As we make technology more efficient, we tend to use it more. If AI makes data processing cheap, we won't use less electricity, we will just build more data centers. And then there is the rebound effect. We might use AI to fix one environmental issue, while simultaneously creating a new, hyper-consumerist culture driven by AI-generated content and targeted advertising. If we use AI to make our economy grow by 10% indefinitely, it doesn't matter if we make it 20% more efficient. The net consumption goes up. We risk using AI to simply enable a faster path to planetary collapse, just in a more optimized way. The human variable. So, is AI a threat? The algorithm doesn't care about sustainability. It cares about the goal we give it. The threat is not the machine, it is the intention behind the machine. If we use AI solely to maximize profit, speed, and consumption, it will be the final nail in the coffin. But if we use it to optimize regeneration, resilience, and equity, it could be the key to the next era of human history. The question isn't whether AI is a threat to sustainable development. Can we build a sustainable world in the age of AI? That depends not on the machines we build, but on the values we choose to code.